this is a 100 liters vacuum emulsifying mixer, and we will test and show you all the functions. And you can see this is a SIEMENS PLC controlled, and all the language can be customized as you need. And for this time we use Chinese, English and Russian. Let me show you. Chinese, English, Russian. And you can see this is an indicator light, and this is a main power switch, and this is an emergency stop, and this is an LED light switch. You can see that there are some accessories on the cupboard, and then your product is being made, and you can observe your product through this view window. And there is a scraper scrape the view window, and you can convenient to remove the water on the window and to convenient to wash the product in making. And then this is a material filter, and you can put the tap water or pure water and through the water tank or oil tank through this valve. And when your main tank is sealed, and then you can add some hot power or essence and ingredients through this valve. And this is a CIP board valve, and then your product is finished, and you can open the CIP functions, and CIP can 360 rotation to wash your main tank, and you can put the pure water, tap water or the chemical washing through this valve. And this is the LED light, and then you can see this is the air inlet, and you can see this is a cool water inlet, and this is a vacuum pump cool water outlet, vacuum pump water outlet. And another side you can see this is a pressure gauge, and when you open the vacuum function, the display, this pressure gauge will real time to show you the value that you show in the screen. And this is the vacuum pipe, and this is a breather filter, and this is the breather valve. And when your vacuum function is finished, you can open this valve. For this time you can see this is a SIEMENS PLC controlled, and this is a SIEMENS inverter. Now we are testing all the functions, like the mixing function, heating function, and the vacuum function, hydraulic up and down, and the tightening function. Now let me show you the mixing function. You will see the mixing panel is no diangle welding with Teflon scraper, which is easy to wash. And you can see the mixing panel is double weight. The external mixing panel is the clockwise like this, and the internal mixing panel is the anti-clockwise like this. Okay, let me show you the mixing function. And now you can open the mixing function. You can see the mixing function will start, and you can adjust the parameters as you need for this one. You can see the mixing speed is the 50 RPM. Okay, turn off the mixing function. And then you can see the mixing function will be stopped automatically. Now we will show you the homogenizing function. Please note, and before open the homogenizing function, the water must into the main tank to protect the mixer. Now let's turn on the homogenizing function. Okay, turn off the homogenizing function. Then you can see the homogenizing functions will be stopped automatically. At the same time, and when you open the homogenizing function, you also set the speed and tent as you need through the displays. Okay, let me show you the hydraulic up and down. Now, open the hydraulic down. Now we will show you the vacuum functions. And before to open the vacuum function, you must open the vacuum valve like this, and then the other valve will be closed. Then the air will be removed through this valve. Okay, let me show you. Open the vacuum function, and then you can see the pressure gauge will show you the vacuum valve. Show you the vacuum values. Now turn off the vacuum. You can adjust the parameters as you need, like this place. Okay, when the vacuum function is finished, open this valve. Then the air will into the main tank, and there is an air filtered into the displays, and which can prevent the impurities into the tank. Okay. Now the next function is the heating function. Let me show you. The mixer has 3 layers and has a double jacket, and then you can see that this is a heating box and the heating rod into the double jacket. And before the heating, you must put the water into the double jacket through the DINS inlet. And this is a liquid level 1 meter to detect the double jacket water. And this is the jacket view window to you can observe the water through the displays. And the water into the double jacket over the displays, then you can open the heating. And this is a double jacket water outlet. When the water overflows this outlet, it means that the jacket is full of the water. Okay, let me show you the heating function. And you can set the temperature as you need. Now you can see this is the 80 degrees. Okay, open the heating function. Now the heating will be start. Okay, turn off the heating. Okay, we will show you the hydraulic up function. Now open the hydraulic up. Okay, we will show you the tightening function. And then open the tightening function, then you can see the tent will be tight. Okay, then you can see the tightening function will be stopped. Please note the tent will reach 90 degrees tightened. Okay, you can see this is the pneumatic discharge, and when your product is finished, you can open the discharge to discharge your product. Okay.